Okay, we're here at Grand Lake, New Brunswick, with the fireplace, and we're going to install the mantel. So I'm going to show you how we do it. Not saying it's the only way, but it is a very, very simple, easy way to do it. So the boys are over there now, and I'll bring in the mantel right down there on the floor. Okay, pick that mantel up and put that in its place. And then I will take measurements of the steel straps that are going to hold it on. So we better come up here a little bit. So I'm going to go over there and take some measurements. Where are the steel straps? Right here. Okay, this is where the studs are. Now, the studs, can you move your shoulder just a little? The studs are right here. And this piece of wood, a piece of steel, has to hit dead center on that. So we'll just put a little mark right there. And we'll put a little mark right there. Now, where's the stud? Okay. Okay, here's the stud right here. It fits right up and down here. So I hit dead center with that, and I make a little mark. Okay, now bring that over here. Set it down right there. Whoop. Okay, and I turn it. Keep turning it there. Great. Great. Okay, so now. Okay, now we're going to put that mantel up, and I'm going to mark the steel so I know exactly where to drill the holes into them. So let's put the mantel up. It's in the right place now, is it?
I don't know if there's another one in there.
No, but we need to mark the metal.
That one's right, that one might go off.
Hold it, hold it. Okay, good enough, that's done. Now I'll mount them pieces of steel onto that, and the next step will be to, now bring that mantel over here and set it right there on the floor, and we'll mount the steel onto it. Okay, I've got to take them straps off and drill them for the mantel. Okay, now we're about to sink the screws into the mantel, securing the steel plate. As you can see, it's all squared up. Okay, drilling that thing. Okay, we'll go over and do the other one. You're in the way of the film a little bit, Scott. I can't see. There. Okay, now we're going to go over and mount her on the wall. We got to put glue on this thing as well. This is sort of a weld bond that the contractor wanted it on there. I really don't think it's necessary, because we certainly aren't going to get up on top of that mantle and dance, but anyway. If you could turn around the other way and get on the other side of that, we could see it on the camera there, Mark. So there, I'll bring it in here a little bit. You can see what you're doing. This is sort of a weld bond stuff that we put on. But I personally never do that. I mean, I don't think it's necessary. Okay, good enough. We'll put her on the wall now. So I'm going to bring it right in pretty close here. Take her over there and hold it just a minute, boys. Set it down. We've got to go get a level. Set it down. Set it down. We've got to get a level. Okay, we have now found a level, so we're going to set that thing into place.
Bring on that point.
Okay, the bubble is right on. So just hold your end right there, Scott. And I'll hold this end. Right. Just 1 second. Okay, mark your end, just gotta go up a hair. Scott, your end's gotta go down a hair. Down a hair. Yep. Down, Mark. Down, down, down. Woo. Okay, I'm gonna see drill that. Scott, you've got good eyes. Can you look at that thing and see if that's dead center?
Oh, yeah, that's perfect.
Get it any better now. And it's still dead on.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty good. I guess they're gonna stain it. They're gonna stain it, it's gonna look like that up there. See that big beam right there? How did they stain it? I didn't notice, but they did.
Okay, good. Okay, good. Now to the bottom. Anyway, that's the way that you we put a mantle on. Anyway, just 2 traps of steel and it's done. And hit the studs, of course.